so many videos talking about ways to make money, but most of them do not work in 2024. There's so much competition, there are so many people in this field, and there is very little way for you to make true value and make a living doing what you love. Hi everyone, I'm Ishan Sharma, and that is why in this video I'll be talking about 5 unknown ways to make money online. I'll be talking about what this method is, how can you execute on this, what are some free resources, and how can you learn about it. So working with 5 creators who create content on YouTube and Instagram. Every month they are getting about 5 deals, and every deal is getting them about 1 lakh rupees. So in total, each creator is making about 5 lakh rupees. From the brand becomes 25 lakh rupees, and you're charging them 20%. A 20% commission would get you to 5 lakh rupees per month. You can make over 5 lakh rupees per month by just having 5 creators who are doing, every single one wants to go viral, but start uploading the clips. And so it has a very circular effect. People distribute a podcast on audio platforms like Spotify, like Apple Podcasts, and many others. So